How do I... Uh-oh. Ah! You got a firecracker? Is it... Which one is it? Explosive? Oh.
I don't know what it is.
No, you have to press one of the buttons on your controller.
Uh-oh. What's
What's
gonna
a
happen?
pipe bomb?
Nothing.
Yeah! Firecrackers! Yay! Happy New Year!
That's dynamite. This is dynamite.
Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh! You put it out.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, if you drop it, you put it out, see?
Oh my god!
If you, like, scream, it's so funny. Look at my face.
I know.
Ah!
Yeah, look at my face, look at my face, look at my face. Ah! Alright, what do we do?
Alright, we need to know... We need to get pickaxes.
How do you get them? Oh, there's the mines, I think.
Yeah, that's the mines. That's the new mines.
Alright, now how do we do this?
I don't know. I'm looking at this presentation because it was talking about canopy mining recreation. Maybe it's in like the new research thing. Let's go check out the research. Alright, let's see. New. There are pickaxes in there, yeah. See the pickaxes right here?
Where? Oh, no! Do we have any more gems? Let's check. Oh, wait, no. Oh, I have 0. How do I get them?
I have 0 too.
Maybe we can just go inside there and we just get it. Or we can get it.
Well, no, you have to have a pickaxe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Let me. I'm going to cut this out, but I'm going to search on Google how to get research points.
Yeah, how to get research points.